Well, this is rather exciting and rather unexpected. Just about to make a video on how to change the cabin filter in the car. And I shut the door without thinking. I left the key in there, the only key I've got. And now I am locked out. How wonderful is that? So my microphone's in there, keys are in there, the wife's house keys are in there. So I'm going to have to get a man to come out, and I might get him to make me another key as well. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, so I'm actually quite happy with the outcome, weirdly. Even though it's cost me, but we'll go into that in a moment. So, a couple of hours after I managed to lock the bloody key in the car, I now have a new key. So let me show you. So got the old one, obviously. It's this old 2-button thing. It's fixed, not flip or anything. And so, the new one, oh, look at this thing. She's going to love that. Nice fob. What a beautiful thing. So, I contacted initially a guy called Aidan, and I've seen him on the Salvage Rebuilds UK videos numerous times. So I contacted him, and then he must have a guy local to me in Maidstone, and his name was Will, and I shall put this at the end because Will has done me an absolutely I know this is probably backwards, isn't it? Will has done me an absolute brilliant job. So now I've got 2 keys, and this thing just looks fantastic. As I say, she will be happy with that. But why I'm so happy is when we first got this car, I went over to Honda dealership to see how much it would cost, because I knew it could be a problem in the future, just having 1 key. They quoted me 206 quid just to get the key, and it would be cut, and then a week later you'd go and pick the key up and they would program it. And so it was £206 for the key, and then it was 90 quid to program it, and that was plus VAT. So to get into this vehicle and cut me and program me a new key will charge me 250 quid, which I think is a really good price, actually. That's brilliant. So if you need a locksmith, auto locksmith in Kent, contact Will. Details will be down in the description below. That's fantastic. Right, I will see you again soon.